All right, Tesla fam, let's dive into why the Tesla Powerwall is a game changer for your energy needs. 1. Backup power for your home. The Tesla Powerwall ensures you never lose power during outages. It stores excess energy, keeping your lights, appliances, and even your Tesla running when the grid goes down. 2. Maximizes solar energy. If you've got solar panels, the Powerwall stores any surplus energy your system generates. Use that stored energy during the night or on cloudy days, reducing your dependency on the grid. 3. Saves you money. With the Powerwall, you can take advantage of time of use rates. Charge it during off-peak hours when electricity is cheaper and use that power when rates are high. 4. Sustainable living. The Powerwall helps you reduce your carbon footprint by utilizing clean renewable energy. It's a step toward energy independence and sustainability. 5. Seamless integration. It works seamlessly with Tesla's ecosystem, whether it's charging your Tesla vehicle, running your home, or syncing with the Tesla app for real-time energy monitoring. So, whether you're looking for reliability, savings, or sustainability, the Tesla Powerwall has you covered. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.